Okay, my name is Danusa, and I am a massage therapist and an esthetician. I believe they're, they are so friendly and so warm that made the whole procedure so much easier, and I felt super confident the whole time. Going through the receptionist and then her assistants that prepare me, and then while I wait for Dr. Gohel to come do the treatment, I felt super comfortable, and they were always there for me. I sure would recommend Dr. Gohel because the results were amazing. I was not confident with my smile, and now I smile everywhere I go. And her level of perfection and professionalism is wonderful, and I highly recommend her.